Bundu fans. Okay, here's a Bundu Bass tip. How to use a saw on your multi-tool. Okay, check it out, nice and easy. Alright, multi-tools. Everybody should own one along the line in their life. If you watch some of my other vids, you know I speak quite highly of Leatherman. This is what is this? This is a Leatherman Sidekick. Yeah, nice and easy. Yeah, there are some very nice Leathermans out there. Gerber makes a nice multi-tool. My son has quite a decent multi-tool from a company called Caliber. Yeah, he actually has his preferred range of blades from a company called Caliber. So you know there are some good tools out there. However, I have noticed that not all people know how to use their tools. So we are busy preparing some blue gum poles, some sticks for walking and bushwork and stomping and that. And we are using our multi-tools because that's what they're designed for. Yeah, you see we actually got a range. I don't even know if you can check them. Okay, anyway. Do you want to cut down a tree with a multi-tool? Not really. Can you build a shelter with a multi-tool? Absolutely. I often joke with everybody I know that I can build a house with a multi-tool. Probably an empire with a multi-tool. However, man, something I do know is that a tool is only as good as its user. So one needs to be a bit awake with a multi-tool. Also, your multi-tool is not going to work like the proper tool because it's a miniature version. So the first thing you got to understand when using your multi-tool is that things are going to take a little longer. Point number one. Point number two, you can't always hit the situation head on. You kind of got to go via, slowly, and work towards the end goal. And that way you can maintain the life of your multi-tool. And why am I saying that? Because I personally have gone through many multi-tools. And yeah, at times Leatherman has a cool warranty. I'm not sure if they're still around. I'm sure they are. And they don't qualm. At other times they have left me and I have not been able to gain that warranty. However, I do know that if you approach your problem slightly differently to using a full-on machine, you probably get the job done perfectly. Okay, so what are we going to do? We're going to cut this fairly fresh branch. We're going to start at the big end because I want a walking stick out of it. It's not entirely straight, but you will find it can actually be quite a big one, I think. Okay, and we will be able to straighten it, but I don't want too much weight. Okay, we're going to cut here. So, my sidekick has got a one finger open. How cool is that, eh? Yeah. Okay, so I'm going to start to cut. The first secret is to use the whole length of the blade. And don't push hard, just run it. Okay. You can see I've used it until it has gone sort of flush with the blade. Now I'm going to keep on going around the wood. Okay, very often you won't meet here and you got to do a skew little line. It doesn't matter. Alright, can you see my... Yeah, I've cut all the way around. Now, because it's a bit strong and I'm getting tired, not everyone can possibly hold wood and do that. If we put it between our legs and we push against this side, and this leg is to hold from swinging across, then I'm able to put pressure on this cut line. And this just takes time and practice. Alright, if you can see, okay, it's starting to move a little. Now very often what happens is if you are using your tool, you can trap the blade. I don't go nowhere. Using this method, I can push, and by catching on the top, I can always hold it open. So by twisting my hand, oh, did you hear that? Nearly, nearly. Aha. Okay, quite simple. You can spend your life trying to cut through it, but the truth is, if you're using your Leatherman, you don't have a work table. Woo! I'm scaring the spiders. Can you see all the spiders up here behind me? Where are we looking? Oh man, wow. Anyway, yeah, you don't have a workbench. Do you know what I mean? You're probably not in the most comfortablest of situations when you're working out in the bush on sticks and stuff. So that is quite effective. Let's carry on. So my stick, I'm gonna cut there.